In the kingdom of Judah, a young boy named Josiah became king at just 8 years old. Though only a child, Josiah did what was right in the eyes of the Lord, refusing to follow the corrupt paths of previous kings. As he grew, Josiah sought God earnestly. At 16, he began to purge the land of idols, altars, and false worship. He tore down pagan temples and restored the worship of the one true God. At 26, while repairing the temple, workers discovered an ancient scroll, the long-lost Book of the Law. When Josiah heard the words read aloud, his heart broke. He realized how far the people had drifted from God. In deep sorrow, he tore his royal robes and cried out to the Lord, seeking mercy for his nation. Josiah gathered all the people, great and small, and read the Book of the Law to them. He led the nation in a covenant to follow God with all their hearts and souls. He destroyed every trace of idolatry in the land. He reinstated the Passover, celebrating it more faithfully than any king before him. Under his rule, Judah experienced a powerful spiritual revival. Though judgment still loomed because of past sins, Josiah's faithfulness delayed it. God honored Josiah's heart, promising he would die in peace. Josiah ruled with courage, humility, and passion for the Lord. Even in youth, he made a lasting impact by choosing righteousness. His story reminds us we're never too young to lead, never too far to return, and never without purpose when we follow God. One young king, one heart turned fully to God, a nation changed forever.